Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Provocative Biofield by Sagarika Babu. This is the fifth part of the NEET and AIPMT MCQ'S. Link for the first 4 parts of the video is placed in the description box. You can see those videos through the link. Now, before entering into the video, I request you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss any of my videos. Fine, now let's start the questions. Question number 41. The dash is the part of the appendicular skeleton. In our body, our total skeletal system is divided into axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. So from the picture itself, you can able to identify easily that central part is the axial skeleton and the external parts, that is our hand, legs, etc. are the part of the appendicular skeleton. So here in the options, ribs, vertebrae, sternum, all are the part of the axial skeleton. Okay, so the only option is the femur, which is a part of the appendicular skeleton. It is a thigh bone. Femur is a thigh bone. So here the answer is femur. Femur is a part of the appendicular skeleton. Okay. Question number 42. Mitochondria present in muscle fibers are known as. The answer is sarcosomes. Okay, mitochondria in a human cell. The function of the mitochondria is energy currency of the cell because it generates energy, that is ATP, adenosine triphosphate, right? So mitochondria in muscle fibers is called as sarcosomes. So here the function of the mitochondria is it generates energy during muscle contraction. So here the answer is sarcosomes. Mitochondria present in muscle fibers are known as sarcosomes. Question number 43. The smallest irregular bone in man is. First option patella is a knee bone. Second option stapes. It is present in ear. Nasal option 3 is present in nose. Number 4 palatine. It is present in the oral cavity. Among those, option B stapes is the right answer. Why? Because it is the smallest bone in the ear. In ear it consists of outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. In that middle ear consists of 3 ear ossicles. What are those 3? Number 1 malleus, number 2 incus, number 3 stapes. So among these 3 bones, stapes is the smallest bone which is irregular. Okay, so here the answer is stapes. Question number 44. The number of bones in the skull of man is. Our skull consists of cranial bones, facial bones and ear ossicles. So cranial bones totally 8 in number, frontal 1, parietal 2, occipital 1, temporal 2, sphenoid 1, ethmoid 1. Totally 8 in number for cranial bones. Facial bones 14, nasal bones 2, maxilla 2, zygomatic 2, lacrimal 2, mandible 1, inferior nasal concave 2, vomer 1, palatine 2. Totally 14 in number. Ear ossicles, as I said before, malleus, incus, stapes for 1 ear. So for both the ears there are totally 3 plus 3 6 in number. So 8 plus 14 plus 6 totally 28 in number. So there are totally 28 bones in the skull. So here the answer is 28. The only movable bone in the skull is. The answer is mandible. In our skull, mandible is nothing but lower jaw. So in our skull, the only moving bone is nothing but lower jaw, which is mandible. Here the answer is mandible. Question number 46. Part of the body having a single pair of bones is dash. First option pelvic girdle, which is a hip bones. It consists of ilium, ischium, pubis. So here, first one is the right option. Why? Because second option, that is external ear, is not a bony part. Third option wrist. It consists of 8 bones. Fourth option lower jaw, which is mandible. It is consists of only 1 bone. So single pair of bones is present in pelvic girdle, which is a hip bone. Fine. So here the answer is pelvic girdle. Question number 47. A flattened or shallow articulating surface of a bone is called dash. The answer is option D, a facet. Okay. So facet is a shallow or flattened articulating surface of a bone. From the picture itself, you can able to identify how the facet should be. So, from the picture, we can easily say that the flattened or shallow articulating surface of a bone is nothing but a facet. Okay, so now we know what is a facet. What are the other options meaning means? A tubercle is nothing but a small rounded point of a bone. Fossa is nothing but a depression or a hollow surface in bone like a cavity. Fovea is nothing but an oval-shaped dimple on a ball-shaped end. It is usually seen in the femur bone, which is a thigh bone. Okay, so now here the answer for the question is a facet. Question number 48. Hinge joint is present in our body between, the answer is option 4, humerus and radius ulna. This humerus, radius ulna are nothing but the upper arm bones, our hand bones. Here the humerus bone, it is connected to the radius ulna through a joint called hinge joint, which is also known as elbow joint. Fine. So here the answer is humerus and radius ulna. Question number 49. A disease associated with joint is dash. The answer is option B, arthritis. Arthritis is a disease associated with the joint. So it is nothing but the inflammation of one or more joints causing a pain and stiffness in that. So here the answer is arthritis. What are the other options means? Option 1, glaucoma is a disease associated with eye. Paget's disease is a condition, it is a disease associated with bone. Horner syndrome is a disease associated with nerve. So the disease associated with the joint as per the question is option B, arthritis. Last question. Question number 50 is, synovial fluid that lubricates a synovial joint is produced by dash. The answer is synovial membrane. So synovial membrane lining the inside of the joint capsule produces the lubricating synovial fluid. So this synovial joint is present in the shoulder, hip, elbow, knee, etc. Fine. So here the answer is synovial membrane. So for the question, synovial fluid that lubricates the synovial joint is produced by the synovial membrane. So this is the fifth part of the questions. So far 50 questions completed. For more questions, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss those questions. Right? Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.